If you're ready to work from home anywhere in the world as a transcriptionist, watch this video, because in this video I'm going to share with you this company that is hiring right now so that you can submit your application and start earning money as soon as possible. So you're going to watch this video till the end as I share my screen. All right, we're not going to waste time. I'll show you the sign up process so that you too can sign up and start earning. All right, so even if you're not perfect, even if you don't know how to, don't worry, you're going to learn it while doing the job. Okay, so the sign up process is easy. I'm going to share with you as well. If you have been watching my work from home job videos, you've been watching mystery shopping videos, and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to this channel, like, share it to people who are looking for work from home jobs. All right, stay at home mom, student, stay at home dad, part-time workers. This is kind of extra income, a passive income for you. So watch this video to the end. I will show you how to sign up so that you submit your application. All I want from you guys is drop a comment for me. If you submit application and you're hired, come back to this video and drop me a comment. Okay, I'd really appreciate that. So let's dive into the other part of the video while I share my screen and show you the sign up process. This is the company and it is called Rev. The company is called Rev. So you earn money with transcription jobs from home. You work from the comfort of your home, and I'm going to show you the sign up process. So I'll also leave the link in the description box. So when you come onto Google, this is where it will lead you, this home page. So you get paid weekly via PayPal, and the average earning per month could be $245, and sometimes almost up to $1,500. Okay, so this is where you sign up. You enter your details. So I'll just walk you people through the sign up process. So this is how it works basically. You sign up and get approved to transcribe. Then you're going to take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and Rev's styling rules. So if you're approved, you can then start working right away. So you're going to be able to choose from available transcription jobs. So there are going to be up to more than hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. So you're going to select the ones you're interested in, and as little as you can do. Right? You're going to get paid, like I said, weekly via PayPal, and they pay every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed the prior week. So this is a freelance work. You're actually working on your own terms according to the number of days and hours you can. All right, you're not mandated to work full time. You can work as much as you like. So once you enter your details and your country, so you can see that it is worldwide. You can work from anywhere in the world, even Nigeria, anywhere in the world. All right. So once you choose the country of your location, because you have to choose your location actually because of the payment. So make sure you choose your location and you click on next, and it brings you to this page. So then you can be able to read through whatever you want to read. This is the welcome message. It says, we're excited that you've decided to apply to become a freelance transcriptionist with Rev. So this is the frequently asked questions, and this is a graph showing their weekly earnings, the estimate of their weekly earnings. So it depends on how much, or how much you plan to work, or how much time you plan to put in. So if you want it for casual, or occasionally you want to take them seriously, so this is how much they pay. For beginners is $22 per hour, and for intermediates, I have prior transcription experience, but I'm new to Rev's tool and guides, $37. Advanced, I've been transcribing at Rev for a few months and can do files quickly and with good quality, $60. So here, for $22 as a beginner, if with no relevant experience, but you're eager to learn, all right? And you can go on to check every other thing. So all the equipment you need to work for this company is just computer. You need a computer and strong internet access. And then when listening to the files, the audio files, you need to use headphones and or foot pedals. So you can read through all these things and know if you're able to commit. So it says there is no minimum commitment. You can create your own schedule. You can freelance with Rev as much as little as you like without penalties. And how do you get paid? You get paid each Monday for the previous week's completed files. All payments are made through PayPal. It's completely free to use, and you will receive 100% of the payment due without any withholdings, deductions, or additional costs. This is a good one, guys. So then you start your application. Here you'll be able to enter your details, your academic qualification. You enter your work experience if you don't have any, but I think 1 to 2 years should be fine. I don't think going for no work experience should be, I don't think it's okay, to be honest. So choose your work experience, and also select if you have experience working in any of these industries. All right. So it says, please select the topics that interest you. So you know the topics that interest you. So do choose as much as you want. Do you have prior experience in transcriptioning? Yes or no, you know yourself. So what is your current employment status? So I don't know if you would like to choose full-time or part-time, but I would go for part-time. So the next one is going to be skill tests. They're going to test your skills, and also you can do this once. It's a bit long. I can't finish them now. So once you do this, the first one is, why do you want to work for Rev? 20 to 500 words maximum. This one is, what is your favorite hobby and why are you passionate about it? And this one is, where did you most recently vacation and what did you do? So once you finish this and you click on next, it's going to it will show you your score. And then it brings you here to terms and conditions for you to go through them, and then you submit. That's it. You then wait for Rev to reply, because they have a lot of people they have a lot of applications. So they take their time in recruiting, because it's a really good one. You make a lot of money working for them. All right. So if you need to contact them to ask them questions or for clarity purposes, you can contact them with this support@rev.com. So guys, this is a very good one for people that are looking for work from home jobs. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Submit your application right now. Okay. So this is the end of this particular video. I'll see you guys in the next one, but before I go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to people that need work from home job. Okay, so don't forget to also turn on your post notification, because I post these kind of videos every day so that you get notified whenever I apply. This is work from anywhere, guys, anywhere in the world. You can do this job from the comfort of your home, just with your laptop and the internet connection. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you apply. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.